example number 1. The diagram shows the curves y equals e to the 2x and y equals 8e to the minus x. The shaded region is bounded by the curves and the y-axis. The curve intersects at the point where x equals ln2. So I'm going to add that to the diagram here. So the x coordinate where they intersect is ln2. Find the area of the shaded region. Give your answer in its simplest form. So my limits for this integral are going to be from 0 to log 2. Y equals 8e to the minus x is the curve that's on top during the region, and y equals e to the 2x is the curve below it. So we're going to do this, subtract this, the red subtract the green here, with the limits 0 to log 2. So we have the integral from 0 to log 2, 8e to the minus x minus e to the 2x dx, and that will find the region R. That's what we're looking to find. So the first step is to integrate. So I've got my square brackets out here for the limits. Dividing by minus 1, minus 8e to the minus x, dividing by 2, minus a half e to the 2x, log 2 and 0. Subbing in log 2 first, minus 8e to the minus log 2, minus a half e to the 2 log 2. Subbing in 0, minus 8e to the minus 0, minus a half e to the 2 times 0 to the 0. So essentially e to the 0, the minus is unimportant. They're a bit stupid writing it in the first place. But this is 1, so minus 8. This is 1, so minus a half here. And here, I do want to tidy up these logarithms because in the question, give your answer in its simplest form. So I'm going to raise the minus 1 to a power. I'm going to raise the 2 to a power there as well. So my next line is going to be minus 8 e to the log a half, because 2 to the minus 1 is a half, minus a half e to the log 4, because I've got 2 squared, and then we've got minus, and then this is minus 8 and a half, minus 8 minus another half, because that is 1, that is 1. E to the log, e to the log, they're the inverse of each other. So we have minus 8 times a half, minus a half times 4, minus minus 8 and a half, minus 4, minus 2, plus 8 and a half, which is 2 and a half, or 5 over 2. And that is our answer in its simplest form.